Are you tired of bland guacamole? It's time to elevate your culinary game. The ChefSofi 6-inch granite mortar and pestle is the ultimate tool for flavor perfection. In today's kitchen, hand mashing with a granite mortar and pestle unlocks deep flavors that blenders simply can't replicate. The ChefSofi set, weighing 7 pounds, is designed for maximum stability, ensuring it doesn't slip while you work. Its unpolished surface provides natural friction, crucial for breaking down ingredients effectively. You won't compromise on taste. It's perfect for extracting the potent oils from garlic, cilantro, and chili. But it's not just for guacamole. This versatile kitchen tool can grind spices or create fresh pesto. Plus, its aesthetic appeal makes it a beautiful addition to your countertop. Remember, you must season your ChefSofi mortar. Rinse with water, grind dry rice to remove dust, and then add aromatics like garlic and cumin to enhance flavors. With a capacity of 2 cups, it's ideal for small batches. For larger gatherings, consider the 5-cup version. Investing in the ChefSofi granite mortar and pestle means investing in superior flavor and culinary experience. Don't settle for less in your kitchen, transform your cooking today. Check it out on Amazon and elevate your next meal.